Hello? Look at my head. She took my head.
This is all I got.
Stop telling me what to do. Hold on. Get out. I can't get up.
Come on.
Ooh. Ooh, new toys. Yay. We are back. How's it going, guys? This is going to be Makhilens signing back on to Poppy Playtime once again. Do you guys remember what happened last episode? Huggy Wuggy. How we bodied that man with a crate on his neck. You gotta give me a round of applause for that one. I'm just saying, your boy stood in there. He stood in the paint with Huggy Wuggy himself. I think, don't get me wrong, I think the doll was Poppy Playtime. I think she is Poppy. I'm not for sure. I know we got Ludwig that we need to still figure out, but this is gonna be Poppy Playtime Chapter 2. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you got your snacks ready. And let's get started on this Chapter 2 playthrough. Ooh, wait a minute. Immerse yourself. Put the headphones on. It said for Poppy now free. Oh, so it is Poppy. Okay, bet. So that is Poppy. The situation begins to change rapidly while you search for any way to escape the factory. I don't know who this. I don't know what the pecan is. It's twitching. It's moving. I don't like it, but we coolin'. I need to be in a rap song. What is that? Is that? What is that? Something? What is that? Oh! Yeah. I got scared. I know I saw a face. Okay.
With Playtime Co.'s new patented elastic plastic, you can stretch, pull, and twist Mommy Longlegs in the craziest ways.
Okay.
She loves watching you play. When you're having fun, she's having fun.
I don't know about that.
The new Mommy Longlegs from Playtime Co. What's the time?
I know y'all heard that. I know y'all heard that. I heard wake up. Wake up time. Look, y'all need to fix our VH8 yet. Oh my god.
You
can't even say the name. What is this? What's going on? Like this one, oh lord, there's a face. Oh, that's Poppy. I think that's her. Oh my god. I'm trying to. I can't. What do you want me to do? That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about, Chapter 2. Hey, so far I'm loving this game right now. Let's get started. Alright. Relax on all of that. Calm down. We're gonna look around. This time we're going to, I don't know if we're like in the same world. So if we're gonna go back there. Alright, I opened up the right door. Was not expecting that. I go Huggy Wuggy. That man is not that cheerful, boy. That man is a devil. Can't go through. Can't go through. I would be trying to open up the door in real life like that. Poppy, stop playing with me, bro. Poppy. Elliot Ludwig. Okay. Alright. So,
keep going.
can you please stop? Yes, sir. Press here. Alright, never do that again. That's light work. Come on, huh? Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Boo. Get out of. Picked up a key. Okay, alright, yep. I picked up a key. Spider-Man. Ooh. Yeah, I'm good with that. We're here. Got a little flower on the desk doing the day-day. I feel it. Poppy. So that is Poppy. What? Why? My best friend. Thank you, Mr. Ludwig. Oh, for the toys. Huggy and Kissy? What? I don't know who that is. So obviously there's a peak one in the game. Obviously. Oh, sorry. You could pick that up. Okay. Oh. Appreciate you, game. We got a first VHS set. VHS. Can't talk. Let's listen to it. See what's popping.
Playtime Co. is the product of a great man by the name of Elliot Ludwig. Divorced,
I'm talking about Ludwig.
But a family man at heart. His sights were always set on bringing amazing toys to amazing children around the globe. Ludwig spent countless hours in the factory, working overtime relentlessly in an attempt to continuously innovate and surprise.
Say so.
In the 1960s, an unfortunate family death had pushed Ludwig down to his lowest. But with so much ambition, he rose back up and continued to fulfill his vision for the Playtime Co. toy factory. Ludwig could never be content leaving a project unfinished. But just how did one man come to create such an astounding empire? How did he manage to stay determined even after suffering such a tragic loss? It all began in the fateful year of 19...
They didn't tell us the year. It cut out. They didn't tell us the year. The only year that I get was 1960. He had a tragic death. Only thing I understood. I'll definitely be doing. Oh, picked up notes. Experiment 897. I guess it says notes. This experiment, pretty much they isolated the rat. 1 week later, an electric shock was applied to the rat, still in the jail, and it attempted to revive it. The rat revived successfully. Was that what that says? They resurrected a rat? It says analyzed. I still believe they're basically, all I'm getting from this note is that they took a rat, put it in jail, and resurrected it. So I'm guessing he was trying to do that with real people, but he was doing experiments on toys and animals, which I'm guessing this is Ludwig. All right, so we're getting a lot of information. I'm loving the story so far. It's very it's nice. It's refreshing. It's new. Hello?
Sorry.
Who?
I didn't mean to scare you.
Scare me?
Just trying to get the power back on.
I'd hit you in your... What are you? She clapping.
I wanted to thank you for freeing me.
Uh-huh.
I was stuck in there for so long. Thank you.
Probably for a
I'd
reason.
like to pay you back.
Oh, really?
There's a train station nearby.
I don't trust her at all.
It's a code,
Hello?
and I have it.
Hello?
We're gonna get out of here.
Oh,
As soon as you
Oh.
get on up here.
let me explore first. Whoa, bro. Stop telling me what to do. Hold on. Can I can't get up.
Come on.
How you gonna tell me what to do? What are there stuff around here?
While I'm still a doll.
Handle with care. We positive there's no more tapes.
Don't you want to come with me?
I do.
You're making me sad.
Okay. There you go. I got you, bro. I got you.
Hey, I'm up here.
Oh, what's up?
I see you.
Hi.
I should be able to follow you through the vents. This way.
Oh, she follow me on the floor. What? I can't go nowhere. There. Oh, okay, bet. I was trying to figure out. Okay, there's so much stuff I gotta ask. Can I make that jump? All right. Watch this. Woo! Oh, they'll make it like me no more, boy. A buzzy bee, that's me. Yeah, you buzzing all right. I had created you. They done knocked you out. It's cool. Where did she go? Yes, sir. What's up, Poppy? Poppy, what's up?
Listen,
Look at her.
I'm going to need you to trust me.
Poppy! Oh, I died. I'm coming after you. Let's go. Where she at? What's up? That's a long fall. Oh yeah. Come on. Where she at? Where my girl at, man? Where my girl at? Game station. What? Game station. Elliot Ludwig. Stella Gray. What? Leaper. What? Power. Okay, alright. Okay. I can get some power. We over here lollygagging. My girl just got taken away. Not fair. Oh, we did it. I think we did it. Alright. It's gonna be like 30 minutes to figure that out. Alright, I'm not gonna lie to you. Hello? Look at my head. She took my head.
This is all I got.
Oh, I'm cold. I can't run.
Exciting, Poppy.
Give me Poppy.
Very exciting, Mommy. Mommy heard that Miss Poppy was
Get off.
going to just give you the train code to escape.
What's the problem?
Now, how is that fun? Instead, why don't we make a game out of it?
Why?
The game station is still working. It will be just like old times. And
Can
if
I-
you win all 3 games, I'll give you the train code.
Why she lying?
Mommy loves that idea, Poppy.
Poppy, say something.
You're going to have so much fun. Head to musical memory, and Mommy will get things started.
Can I get my head back?
Obey the rules, or I'll tear you apart and eat your insides while you're still alive.
Oh. Alright. Can I get my head? Wow, bro. But you done ate my hand. Poppy, you could have scrapped or something, bro. Like, you could have did something to help me out.